Fresh. I'm sleepy. I was feeling sleepy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or lesson. And I brought for this a few postcards for you because I think postcards are always a very nice tool.
Yeah, I love them.
This is old postcards I found on a flea market, and I will use them as a reference. I print one of them, a bigger out, because what I want to do is to try some kind of composition sketch to combine what we learned before. It's always a bit difficult things to draw, but it's easier if I have this reference. For that reason, I have this postcards.
The guide, I got a chance to doodle. You can tell.
Oh, yeah.
He had time to get lost in his mind.
To go together. For example, I bring here the green together with the yellow.
Look at his big brush.
Be precise, do accurate things, and everything works very well. Make a bit curls.
Okay. The composition's ready. We're always so quick. Lickety quick. Okay. Wetting the paper is warping it.
Oh, I think he was very liberal with his water, and mine is already very, like it's curling.
Unset. Ooh, it's intense. Ooh.
Toothbrushes.
Hi. I'm gonna try to do a gradient. That's what I'm gonna try.
I'm sort of going for that too, and I'm sort of using the toothbrush a little bit for it.
Oh, clever. No bueno. It's not. No bueno. No bueno. What I'm doing here. I made the sky red. It's too red. But I
made it too. That's so funny.
It is. It's really too red though. It's like, where's the gradient, bitch? I have to add blue. Whatever. Whatever. I don't care. Let me be fucking childish. I don't care.